40 Backstage Access.
All right, so every Saturday around this time we get to hang out with the coolest celebrities in the game. The movers and shakers of this thing we call the music industry, you know. Not only the movers and shakers, but also the leaders at the moment. Namhlanje, I'm hanging out with Family First. He joins me in the studio today for the Backstage Access. You know, I was just saying, bro, Oguti, when I came across this name, I honestly thought this must be a duo or a group. And Showcase, this is not the first time you're hearing of something like this.
Yeah, true. I get this a lot.
Yeah.
Well, in the inspiration igama ukuthi uthando le family lami yabo. And then njengoba ithi ijol si group.
Okay.
Kahle ngokuthi ngifoma umndeni wami everywhere I go.
Oh, okay.
So if you vibe you grand, we are grand, we so grand, respect nani. Sazwana. So you don't have to be blood ukuthi umndeni wami. So that's why manje ubona ngathi isound ngathi group.
Yeah. Wait, do you have umndeni wakho ngiyawubona lo owakini but nawo owakho othi wena?
Yeah, you know.
Oh, okay.
You know, I have a lovely daughter and a fiance.
Oh, nice one. Yeah. Nice one. How's that going for you?
Angasho ukuthi imnandi.
Kunama challenges akhona
but challenges nice. Like I think it's time.
Yeah.
It's time to prepare for umndeni. I wish I had more time.
Yeah.
Ukuhlala nabo but wona challenge engathi nayo but otherwise on the love boat I wish.
Yeah. Man, you know it's so nice to hear young black people guys speaking like this.
Yeah.
You know, it's something that is very refreshing. Bro, welcome to the show. It's been a long time coming and thank you so much for taking your time off to join us this morning.
No, thank you for having me.
Briefly, tell me about your musical journey. Because another thing about you is that I honestly thought hey, Lomchi to say Josie, because my Family First and like I'm listening to the music, I'm like, this guy surely Use cool, but only to find what full light take with.
Well, yeah, ngiyakuthola futhi nalokho. So, but reason being, I just like to be different, you know, on how I do my stuff. Even the music, I'm based in Durban, but I'm doing piano.
Oh, yeah.
So that's another thing. So if you're a Durban-based artist, but I most of the time, but I just like music at the end of the day.
Uthando lomculo luqale kanjani luqale kuphi?
No, uthando lomculo I think it's a young age yabo ngilalelo kwaito nani and then I started loving music. For the longest time I didn't even think I would do music but ngithe mase high school and then I started thinking so what can I do with my time? Went to soccer, abuya ngalapo. Then ngeza ngala. So music uqale kanjalo nokuthi ngicompose endlini. Then I started feeling in love ngempela. Then ngacompose labanye abantu. Then ngaqala ngamanje ukuthi no, mhlawumbe let me do my own stuff So every time you the challenging ngihlangana nayo ukuthi every time when I get better at something vele kushintsha genre le South Africa. So now every time ngiyona into ejwayele ukwenzeka yabo. So but ngenhlanhla ngiya-adapt
quickly.
Yeah.
Look, without revealing a lot, because it seems like into yenzayo right now, you know, and I like the fact ukuthi uchazile ukuthi umuntu who takes time in perfecting into ayenzayo, but because of how fast we are in South Africa, but we are able to quickly adapt. Without revealing okuningi, what is your winning formula, you know? But I don't want you to say a lot, but when you sit down and make a song, like what is that one formula that you have that you say okwamanje hizi mina bengenza kanje kuyangisebenzela?
Well, if it's, I think ungacabangi ngendlela abanye abantu abacabanga ngayo yabo.
I like that.
And then ngibe inspired by other songs njengoba ngena silalela the ithukuthela
Jazzworks noma who
and then mhlambe listen ukuthi benza kanjani yabo, but try ukuthi ngingahambi ngedirection yabo because I just want to be unique. Sometimes being unique can take time, but it's okay. Time is what I have.
So what I'm getting is that you draw a lot of inspiration from abanye abantu abaku industry who are doing things ngendlela is it different.
Yes.
I like that, bro. I like you sound like someone who's really truly grounded. He joins me in the studio this morning, Kabalaku Family Fair. There's a lot to unpack, and we're also going to be playing his song. Now, your song has been on the chart show for more than 10 weeks, in Tombiam. We are going to talk about that song also because, wow, what a song. Family Fest is here for a Backstage Access. He's still here with me. Our Backstage Access guest, namhlanje si Plomeno Family Fest. Ngoma yakhe with Usykes in Tombiami uyayazi, and it's been here with us for more than 10 weeks now on the show. Namhlanje ngithe ake ngimlande lo mjito, let's have a word or two and try to find out what is keeping guy, because I'm telling you this now, he is really on a come up, and when it does happen for him, you must tell them on his show with Top 40. Now let's talk about the song in Tombiam. First of all, bro, like I'm not even buying face, the song is here for a reason. It really is a nice song, and for these songs to stay on the chart show, like the public need to obviously give it a thumbs up, because there's also like a platform where they can go and say, no, we are feeling this song and this song needs to go up or go down, so meaning what they're hearing, they really like what they're hearing. So tell me about you making the song, and how did you get to work with Usykes on Intombiam?
Well, the song was inspired by Ingoma, I think Genuine, if I'm not mistaken.
Damn.
My whole life has changed. Yeah, that song.
Okay.
Yeah. So and then we in studio, ngayenza beat, ngahlanganisa. I think I got some help with bass because and then obviously it's totally right. Then I think I started on beats for about 6 months or so.
Wow.
Then I decided to go to Joburg at some point, and then we were in studio. Then we were listening to beats, and then we invited to Usykes as well to come through. And then, in fact, Ngozinhle alone.
Yeah,
yes, it's on the song.
Yeah,
just recorded
she's also on the song.
And then we just debated who's the best male vocalist
right now.
I suggest Andrew Usykes.
Bro, he's killing the game.
Killing it.
He's killing the game right now.
By that time, I was suggesting Uze Makeba.
Oh, okay.
Because I just did more.
Zay also has that commercial flair about him,
I always say this. I've never seen an artist like him.
Okay.
Because I have songs.
I feel you.
Yeah, I have songs with him. Is ngayona legend. Like we tried to fuse Maskandi and piano.
Yeah.
And you can hear the guy sounding like a Maskandi artist.
So for me, Uze is almost like a male version Yaga Zingumali.
True.
They really are not doing a lot, but it's almost like they understand what the people want right now.
Yes, and it's effortless.
Yeah, very effortless.
It's like this. So same thing with Sykes. Usykes,
very musically driven.
This song was recorded in 30 minutes. We were done.
Yeah,
that's how creative Sykes is.
Yeah,
and I think we did another song put on top of that.
Nice one.
Yeah. So the vibe in studio was amazing, but I had to leave because my time was limited.
Yeah.
So just like I said, we with these cards and stuff.
Yeah.
So, but that depends on what.
Okay.
But usually I go to because in the family as well. So figure corner, and then I do my errands corner.
Okay. Yeah. So, no. When's the show? If usithola kwi-studio sakaphori ngiqale nisayine eqala because we don't want to find kuma podcast ukhala ngama royalties this and that and that and this
to be honest, I have some different engine because I like my space.
Okay.
Ngithanda ukuzifaka kuma space engawa understand. So kungcono mozodlalela ku territory yami kunokuthi ngiye kweyakho.
Yeah, no, I should really ntwana ekhuleka mnandi isha ngo TV game ama PlayStation
I'm actually the opposite.
Okay. If festive season is here, bro, what can we expect? And while we're at it, please grab me that truth box because I need to ask you a burning question before I let you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
there's no more music coming out, yabo. Like for example, this song Sqedile ngevideo, the visuals are amazing, yabo.
Nice.
So it's going to drop on YouTube ngolesihlanu next week.
Lovely.
But it's already on TV.
Okay.
Yabo. So nje Family Fest uzoyibona intombi yami.
Yeah.
I worked with Uslo Man on it.
Okay.
So I think he's well known when it comes to ama visuals.
Yeah.
And then
I don't know, it's well known. Like I know he's doing his thing. He's that guy.
So the video is super clean. It's nice. So but we can expect more music. I'm going to be dropping another song. I think in the next month or so.
When you perform as a vocalist or as a DJ?
As a DJ.
Oh,
yeah.
Top. Can you DJ?
Yes.
Oh, because indaba yenu le ukuthi keeping ngomezi mnandi bese fanele DJ nishayela amahashi. Hey bengi. Anyway, let's do this. Let me ask you this question, bro, before I let you go. He's kuluma too much.
Yeah.
If your music career was a type of food, what would it be and why?
I think it's pasta.
Italiano. Where can we find you on social media?
You'll find me on Family Fest, one word, _official on all social media.
And my brother, thank you so much for this Katsako, and I can only wish you the best moving forward. We look forward to what's coming on the way, and to share around.
No problem.
Danko at Family Fest on social media. Ingoma yake is on the chart shows of Kumbula Bisidlala because it has moved up.